Hey guys, welcome back to the video guys, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how to connect your Nintendo Switch Fortnite account to Xbox step by step. So just follow along. So first things first guys, what we're going to do is you want to make sure your Epic Games account is verified, okay? Ensure that your Fortnite progress is linked to an Epic Games account. If you don't know how to do this, just open a browser and go to Epic Games, log in using the account tied to your Nintendo Switch Fortnite account, okay? Then guys, what you want to do is you want to check your account connections. So once you're logged in to Epic Games, go to your account settings by clicking on your profile icon at the top right corner. And then, guys, you want to click on the connections in the menu. And under accounts, guys, you want to check if your Nintendo Switch is linked. If not, guys, you can just link it really easily by following the prompts. And then, guys, of course, you need to connect your Xbox to Epic Games. So in the connections section, guys, you're also going to find Xbox and you want to click on connect. And they're going to ask you to log in with your Xbox credentials to complete the linking process. And once you're connected, basically, guys, your Fortnite progress, your skins, your V-Bucks, everything will sync between, Nintendo Switch and Xbox. And then, guys, of course, you just want to log in into Xbox and access progress. Okay, just open a Fortnite on your Xbox and then log in with the Epic Games account you have connected, and your progress from the Nintendo Switch should now appear on the Xbox Fortnite games. Anyways, guys, it's important that you're using the same Epic Games account on both the platforms, and if you already created a new Fortnite account on Xbox, you may need to unlink it before connecting to your Switch account. So it's literally that easy, guys. So I hope this video helps, and if it did, guys, consider smashing that like button and subscribing to the channel. Turn on the bell notification so I can see you guys next time.